welcome back to another video. Today we have clearance, and new deals just dropped for the DeWalt's. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can make more to review videos so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest deals. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so yeah, we got new DeWalt deals dropped. We're going to be looking at that in a second. We're going to be looking at the mowers for now. As you guys do see, this one's a oversized mower. It's more than your regular. This one's a 30-inch cutting width, dual force, which you got dual blades on that one. Got the torque guaranteed. So this one's a little bit pricey because it is wider on the heavier duty side. So $15.99. But if you wanna spend $400 or more, you can actually get a riding mower, which is not bad at all for $400 more, you know, for a lot bigger yard. All right, so clearance. These are all on clearance. There's a huge section on clearance here. All right, so they got this one. This one's down to $415 from $519. It's a Craftsman M320 rear wheel drive. So one of the top of the line models there that they got. And they got the effortless mowing. Advertised, of course. Front wheel drive. This one's $390, down from $459. And guys, don't think that these prices are gonna be here forever. I'm pretty sure these are gonna drop even lower. Like I always say in my videos, they might be even lower at your lows than mine. So keep an eye out for that. I seen these mowers go down to at least $100. So look at all the clearance here. Alright, so we got an Edger. This is 140cc Craftsman. This one is $319, down from $399. This is not a bad deal at all. It's almost, $80 off. It's a pretty good deal. We got a spreader here for the riding tractor. $69, down from $279. That's actually a pretty good deal. 130-pound capacity, 13-inch by 4. And then we got a mower. This is 163 cc, 21-inch mower. And those are the mowers there on the other side. It's just a stock that they have. We got the chainsaw. This one's down from $189 to $110. It says missing parts. I do not see any missing parts. It has everything in there to start it up. Maybe, you know, just some oil or whatever, manual, whatever it comes with. That might be missing. But other than that, they seem to be pretty complete units. And these look like they're brand new, actually. They're just a little dirty from the dust from being inside the stores, but they are completely brand new. So these are great items to have. All right, so here's another mower. Well, actually, it's the same mower that we saw on the other side, but it's all the boxes for the other mowers. All right, so blower and string trimmer combo from Eagle, $239, down from $299. I was trying to get a better picture here, but I did see that they had one here on the other side. So that's what they look like, 530 CFM, which is very respectively. And then we got the mowers themselves. I'm pretty sure they're going to be running some deals now that the spring is getting here. So keep an eye out for these. I do have one of these, the older models, and I think it's probably one of the best out there. All right, so talking about some deals that they moved to the Lowe's from the Home Depot. These are the Toros. They did move. Last time I saw them at the Home Depot, but now I saw them here. So you got the Cobalt 24 volts. So if you want to keep your same battery platform, there you go. You got some mowers here. And then this one's a self-propelled. And then you got a smaller mower. This one's a push 16-inch mower. Kind of like a smaller size. So $329 for this one. And then talking about some power. So you got 40 volts. Either brush or self-propelled or just push mower. So depending on what your needs are, if you want to save about $100, then you can get this cheaper one. All right, new mower, guys. New mower for Craftsman, very similar to the DeWalt that they just had. I just placed yesterday at the Home Depot. I saw. So it is self-propelled. It is powered by 2 batteries. It's 40 volts, 20-inch deck, side discharge, self-propelled mower. This one is the older mower. This one's just a push, and that one's supposed to be the yeah, that one's the older one. And then he got the newer one right there. I really like what they did with the battery cover there on the top. It looks a little better. And it is $429, which is not bad for a self-propelled mower. And especially if you got these batteries, and check out the chargers on all those though. These are very, very different chargers. I was just looking at the chargers. It's kind of brown, so I don't know what they did with that. They redesigned the chargers. All right, so talking about some gas, we got the Toro. It's 150 cc, 6.25 torque, and 22-inch deck. So this is quite one of the biggest ones that they got. You got the Earth Auger. This is one's new that I never seen before. So this is 269, 2-cycle. Then they got this one on clearance, vertical bike hook, or you can pretty much put everything, not just your bike, you can put other stuff. And then you got this one on clearance of the max load, pro bump head. It's like a quick load. And then they got some more strings for the string trimmers on clearance. So stock up on these definitely. And then you got this radio for $89. Then you got some appliance, which I'm not going to go over. Just something to keep eye out on because they are 50% off. And then here's the Spotlight with remote, 400 lumen. Great for the shop or outside the garage. Wireless motion sensor lights on clearance, $13, not bad. You got a battery backup here, 75 down from 94. In case you guys got computers or surveillance systems and whatnot. Multi-timer, 71 down from 89. And then you got a power hub for the smart devices, cell phones and tablets and all that stuff, $44. And then if you guys are doing remodels or additions to your house, these are great for pretty much the whole store is on clearance, to tell the truth. You got Overdrive Mechanics tool sets, 79 down from 99. Check this one out. This one's 48 piece, 55 down from 64. 69 down from 94 for 83 piece. And most of these are already sold out, by the way. You got the Klein tools. They're on sale. It says save $50. When you buy all three, you save the $50. So not too bad, guys. Not too bad. They are a little pricey, but they are top of the line quality. So pretty nice. All right, then they got this one, which I don't see every day. They got the PEX cutter, a PVC. So plastic cutter there. And then they got the copper there at the bottom. So both of them are around $119. This one's down to $239 from $279. It does come with those battery, those oil-resistant batteries, stacked lithium. These are the new deals, guys. Yes, these are the new DeWalt deals. Buy one get one free. They just released them. Never seen them before. You got the power stack. So you buy any of the tools and get a free power stack 2-pack. So you can choose from sander, the oscillating tool, $169, and then you got there to the right at the bottom, you got a reciprocating saw, a circular saw, a drill. It looks like a hammer drill. So those are actually, if you guys are looking for good deals, these are actually not bad deals for $169. Not bad. And then you get the the newer power stack battery. So that's looking at the bottom here. We have the screw gun, the drywall cutout tool, the router, the SDS rotary hammer, the impact wrench, and the ratchet, guys. The ratchet is available as well. It says available online or at Lowe's.com. So definitely check it out. Those are the two batteries that you're going to be getting, the two power stacks. They're very compact, great for that ratchet though. Very, very compact. And these are the batteries you're going to get for free. You got the tools on the left, and then you got the batteries here on the right. $179 value. Then these are on clearance as well. If you guys could find them at your stores. Unfortunately, I did not see them. These are really good deals. $22 down from $50. I would have picked these up in a heartbeat. And then you got the combo wrench sets, $49 down from $79, which are not bad deals for a good quality tool like this. And this one is actually missing one. Somebody grabbed it. Got the brushless tool combo kits for the DeWalt with the two power stack for $199, which is a really good deal. This is a really good deal for clearance deal. It says buy yourself a DeWalt Max tool and get a free battery. This one did start on the 18th, so you got a few months to get it. But if you guys want a good selection of tools, as you guys know, the good ones sell out. Make sure you guys jump on those. This one's not a bad deal for $4.99. Does include a circular side, the new power stack, or the new stacked lithium batteries. Same thing with this one's pretty good for a high torque impact wrench, and then you got the stacked lithium battery. You got the 4 tool combo kits, or 5. You get a free bare tool for the flex. This one is running until the 31st, so this, if you guys want to get this deal, you guys do have to hurry up and get it before it sells out if you're in this line. But other than that, you got plenty more to choose from. I'm pretty sure they're going to drop something else. But yeah, if you guys want that deal, make sure you guys pick it up before the 31st. I got that one on clearance. And then same thing with the Cobalts. They are running buy a tool, get a free 4 amp hour battery. Yeah, a ULT ultimate output battery, maybe. Is that what they try to say on ULT? And then yeah, those are the numbers that are available, the SKUs numbers or the model numbers. Got the Craftsman starter kit and get a free bare tool, and these are RP, so they are brushless, top of the line Craftsman tools. Unfortunately, they do not have these displays up, but they do have these at least, so we can see it is a starter kit, and then you get the brushless RP tools. Some of the tools are available. Got combination wrench set, $9.98 was $24, which is already sold out, fortunately. And then we got the line spins pliers, Irwin 8-inch. And then you got the 9-inch line spins pliers with the wire cutter. So these are really nice. Definitely check these out, guys, for especially if you guys are the pros and like to get good tools. All right, talking about some good tools. Here's a pink box for you guys on clearance. Was $369 down from $295, and then $529 down to $423. So if you have somebody that likes pink, there you go. And then you got the black one, very similar. So this one's a Cobalt, $169 down from $219, $229 down from $269. And then the Cobalt's bags and the totes are on clearance, $26 down from $29, which is a really nice bag. I really like the quality, the blue. It's easy to see on the inside, especially if you got those smaller tools or smaller screws lost on the inside. They are really easy to see. If it's black on the inside, then good luck, unless you have your lamps. All right, 16-inch open totes, $22. You got a rolling toolbox or tool bag, 14-inch, $55, down from $79. Not bad at all. And if you guys look at back here, you got the wheels, really nice rubber grip wheels. Extreme tool bag backpack or tool backpack, $35. This one's nice. Even for a laptop, you can carry that if you need to. And then they got some more stuff. This one's a supply tool bag, 14-inch, $19 down from $29, which is not bad at all. And then they got the massive tough mouth bag from Tough Build, $58, which is, I think Tough Build's a little bit better quality. Anyways, just thought I want to share you guys all the new deals and the clearance items that they have at their store, which is a lot. And I did not film. There's like a huge more amounts, like on all the aisles. So definitely take your time and look through your stores. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.